Mark, and I want to walk you through the opening procedures for setting up or loading the election on each of the voting units. On election day, you'll concentrate just on one machine, get it up and running, and then notify the voting location managers so that they can call the Board of Elections. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to load the election on 3 machines all at the same time. Step number 1 of your opening procedures says to inspect the security seal that's on your memory card door. You'll look over here and make sure that the security seal is solid as blue. Then you'll peel that seal off, unlock that memory card door, and then take, in step number 2, your memory card, put it sticker side up, holes end in first, and slide it on into the voting unit and tap the on button. I'm going to do that same procedure for each of the units. That security seal that you've peeled off does need to have its number recorded, but it does not need to be kept. You can discard it as soon as you've recorded the number. That can be done on the 4th page of your opening procedures. You'll open up the printer housings because soon we're going to be asked to test each of the printers. I'll push the test printer and then go on to the next button. After I'm assured that my printer works just fine, I'll push the OK button, and then the second OK button at the lower portion of the screen for each one of the units. Each of my voting units is now printing something called a zero totals report, a report that we can examine to make sure that there are no votes recorded on any of our voting units. Once I've inspected each of the reports to make sure that they're all zeros, my partner and I are going to take a pen and sign each of the reports, as well as completing the information on the canister label. We're going to record the serial number of the voting unit, which is on the lower center portion of our screen, as well as the MID number, and that's just next to the serial number. I'll record the data on the canisters as well as signing for all of my machines, and because my technicians will have already loaded the paper onto the canisters, all I need to do now is say I don't need another copy, and then tap OK. That will pull the first report up into the unit. Each of our machines needs to be secured so that we can keep our votes safe. We'll put a security seal across the crack of each of our printer canisters. We'll close our printer housing, as well as locking that front door, locking the memory card door, and putting a security seal across each of those. I now have 3 voting units that are ready for voters. I hope you have a great election day.